For example, like this, you can put it above that. And then you can adjust it. Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can resize videos on CapCut PC. Now, to be able to resize videos on CapCut PC is pretty much simple, and I think it's a bit similar to how you do it on your phone. But you know, let's focus on the PC for now. So here we have a photo, or a video that we have already placed in the middle of our CapCut project. Now I just want to tell you first that whatever video that you put first, or clip, or picture, whatever it may be, the project aspect ratio or this one will automatically adapt to that which you have put. But by default, it should be set to 1920 to 1080, which you can do without the need to. And how you can do that without the need to put any clips or searching for anything that's 1920p, 1920 to 1080, you can just add a text and drag this on your timeline over here. Now let's just go back to how you can resize your video. So like I said, this video that we have here, it already has a zooming effect. So by resizing, you just need to go click on your video, and as you can see, these white lines around it will appear, and you can just click on the pivots here on the corners, and you can just drag that, and as you can see, it will be zooming in. You can also hold and click and hold to move it around, and as you can see, you will even see guidelines to know if you have put the photo or the video in the middle. So you can even adjust the position by here, and it will move. So you can adjust this, like for example, -50, enter that, and it will move like that. Otherwise, you can just move it around by moving it on the screen by holding it, and it will automatically adjust. You can even rotate it by holding this one and dragging it around, or by editing it here, or by typing the value that you want there. So by resizing your video, you can add another thing below it. For example, like this, you can put it above that. And then you can adjust and put this in the corner. And then, you know, this is what you do when you want to create a reaction video on YouTube. So that's it. That is how you can adjust or resize a video on CapCut. So I hope this video helped you, and as you can see, it will be playing like that. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.